In this video, I'm going to show you how to save pictures on Snapchat without the sender knowing. If you've received a snap or a picture and want to save it without the other person being notified, I'll walk you through how to do it. First, go over to your chat. For example, let's say I've received a picture from someone. This method works for both snaps and pictures in chats, though for snaps, you'll need to screenshot it instead. Now, the key to saving the picture without the sender knowing is to turn on airplane mode first. So go ahead and activate airplane mode on your phone. Once it's on, go ahead and save the picture you want. For example, I'll save this photo of a sunrise. I'll save it to my camera roll instead of just saving it in the chat. Once it's saved to your photos, exit out of Snapchat. You can swipe out of the app, and now you'll need to delete Snapchat from your phone. After deleting it, go ahead and re-download Snapchat and log back into your account. Now, when I go back to my chats, you'll notice that there's no notification indicating I saved the photo. The only notification you might see is a screen recording notification if you recorded your screen before turning on airplane mode. But there won't be any notification for saving the picture. That's how you save photos on Snapchat without the other person knowing. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. See you next time.